Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to start and create tournaments. In the beginning, from the main menu, let's go to tournaments. Here you can select domestic tournament, custom tournament, Champions League, Women's Champions League, Libertadores and Women's International Cup. Select tournament type you want to create. And now select teams. Create name for your league. And it's done. Your tournament is created. Here you can select match day, manage squads, office, and customize players, settings or save. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.